Nakapag-create na ako ng aking account. Your account has been created. Good day, and this is Arn Abantao and welcome to my channel. You will see, andito ako sa PayPal. Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano tayo gumawa ng PayPal account. Sa mga hindi pa po alam kung paano gumawa ng PayPal account, I will show you, which is ang pag-sign up naman ng PayPal is free. Nakagawa na ako before and gagawa ako ng panibagong account. Ang purpose kasi kung bakit ako gagawa ng PayPal account dahil nakaka-receive ako ng payout internationally, dahil gumagawa ako ng pre-earning tutorial na kung saan ang payout ay pumapasok sa PayPal. Ano nga ba yung mga pumapasok sa PayPal na money internationally like dollars and euro? Kung interested ka sa mga ganitong video tutorial, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, click the subscribe button, kalimbay mo na notification bell para updated ka sa mga in-upload yung video. Again, inopen ko sa browser itong Chrome dahil dito ako gagawa. Kung hindi mo pa alam, tap mo lang si PayPal dito sa browser. PayPal login or sign up. Mamili ka lang. And mapupunta ka dito. Tap lang po natin si PayPal. Kung wala ka pang account, syempre, tap lang po natin si sign up, or pwede ka rin naman mag-install via App Store or di kaya sa Play Store. Since ang gamit ko ay Android, dito ako sa Android gagawa ng PayPal dahil yung iPhone ko ay meron na siyang PayPal account. Sign up, tatap lang po natin si sign up. Sign up for PayPal. Pag gumawa tayo ng account sa PayPal, meron tayong dalawang option. We have personal and business. Siyempre, since na individual lang naman, dito lang ako sa personal. Kung business is for business, diba? Sell online, in person, sell, grow business, whether you're casual seller, freelancer, or a company. So, dito tayo sa personal. Tap lang si get started. Sign up for PayPal. Indicate dito yung email address. Na-indicate ko na yung aking Gmail account. Tap ko lang si next. All I have to do, since na may Gmail account naman ako, hindi ko na lang itatype para nag-error siya. Continue ko na lang this one. And nagbe-verify na. And next is that sign up for PayPal. We confirm your email address. Tap lang si next. Indicate dito yung phone number natin. Dahil every time na magla-login tayo is magsisend ng notification or OTP code. And tap lang si next. And may marireceive akong confirm your phone. And nakareceive na ako ng OTP code. Ngayon, kikreate ng password. Ang password length natin is that we have use 8 to 20 character, use 2 of the following letters, numbers, or symbol like this. Ito naman yung guide yung paano tayo gumawa ng password. So, gagawa muna ako ng password. And now, nakapag-create na ako ng password and you will see check. Dahil susundan mo lang yung guide yung paano gumawa ng tamang password. Tap lang si next. Here is that ipifill out natin yung mga personal info na hinihingi. Personal info, make sure this matches your official ID, of course. Ilalagay dito yung first name, middle name, and last name. Na-indicate ko na yung personal info. Tapos si next. And next, additional info, we are required to collect this and always keep your info secure. Nationality, ID number, and date of birth. Okay. Since nandito sa Pilipinas, ang nationality natin is Philippines. And ID type, meron ditong 3 national ID, passport, driver's license. Alright. Na-indicate ko na yung info in regards to my ID and then yung aking date of birth. Tap ko lang si next. Address, use your billing address. Ilalagay dito yung street name, house number, barangay, street, and then dito sa baba, check lang po natin itong dalawa. I confirm that I have read and I received the promotion. I-input ko muna yung address info ko. Since na-input ko na yung aking address, check ko lang itong dalawa, which is I agree. And after that, tap ko itong agree and create account. And next, kino-confirm yung aking address. Tap ko lang si save. And after that, nakapag-create na ako ng aking account. Your account has been created. add e-credit or debit card to start shopping or send payment with your PayPal account. And for example, go to shopping or send payment. Let's say. Okay, wag muna, di ko muna ililink yung aking dito na lang sa send payment. Yan. Like that. And hindi ko muna ililink yung aking mga account ito, not now, let's say. And para maging okay yung ating account, create your username. Okay, may suggestion tayo when it comes sa ating username. Okay, ito na lang. Next, tap ko lang si continue and let's find out. Agree and continue. Wala pang laman kasi kapag once na may pumasok na dito when it comes sa mga gaming app, papasok dito yung mga payout ko. So wala pa. Pwede natin i-link yung ating debit or credit card. Never mind. Okay na to. Titingnan ko sa aking mail. Says here, service at internationalpaypal.com. To this, you're good to go. You click to get paid. Okay, so like this, nakagawa na ako ng account. And ganun lang gumawa ng ating account dito sa PayPal. Very easy lang. And tap ko nga si home. Pwede ka rin mag-upload ng app via Play Store or App Store. And you will see, since na kaka-umpisa ko pa lang sa application na to, aking balance ay 0. And susunod, gagawa ko ng tutorial kung paano natin ililink yung ating PayPal account to GCash. And for the meantime, this is the end of my video. Hoping nakapagbigay ako ng knowledge towards kung paano tayo gumawa ng PayPal account gamit yung ating cellphone. And para ma-monitor mo, pwede mo ito i-upload yung nakapop up dito, open in the PayPal app, this one, para hindi ka na mag-login, log out sa application. Kung magre-receive ka ng payout, syempre ilalagin mo yung Gmail account mo para pumasok yung withdrawal kung PayPal ang pipiliin mong withdrawal. Dahil this one, yung payout na nare-receive natin is referring to a passive income. Okay, so dito ko yan isi-save lahat. And ang features ng PayPal, send payments, request money, okay, add card to shop the word. Okay, hoping nakapagbigay ako ng knowledge towards kung paano tayo gumawa ng PayPal account using our mobile phone gamit ang Google browser. If you like on this, do a thumbs up, play and share. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, click the subscribe button, kalimbay mo na notification bell para updated ka sa may upload yung video. And this is Arn Abantao. See you on my next tutorial in regards sa aking YouTube channel. And kapag naka-receive ka ng payout, mag-appear dito sa PayPal balance. As of now, 0 pa yung balance ng aking PayPal since kakagawa ko lang ng PayPal account. Thank you for watching.